stick, so I'm barely hanging on here. I'm gonna set this for, I don't know, 3.5 minutes. That should be enough, right? Should that be enough?
I have no idea.
Do you have your phone on slow-mo?
No. Should I put it on slow-mo?
Yeah, put it on slow-mo.
Well, will it record that way?
Yeah.
But don't we want it in normal action?
Yeah, if we want to have it, we can slow it down.
All right, okay,
later.
all right. Well, we're gonna have to, okay,
Post-production.
now, here we go.
All right, so you got one labeled Patriots and one labeled Eagles, right?
Yes.
Whichever one blows up first.
I can't,
The Super Bowl.
I can't see him. The video's, oh, there.
It's snowing out.
Well,
You got some eggs in the microwave in the middle of a snowstorm.
yeah, but it's not, all you see is me, my shadow in the microwave. Oh, this sucks. All right, here we go. It's been about 30 seconds.
How close are you to the microwave?
I'm close enough. Maybe I need to get,
Get inside the door in the kitchen. Oh, you got the selfie thing out the door. Right up against the microwave.
you can still, yeah, I'm still using a selfie stick, but it's really difficult to make out. Oh, okay, something just exploded. And the microwave is still going. It didn't open up a door. I don't know if, oh wait, I should stop. Okay, hold on. I'm screaming now. All right. Okay, we have 2 exploded eggs. Oh no, we don't. Oh no. We have a problem here. The Patriots blew up.